The NObreath FeNO Monitor has an ambient monitoring mode which enables you to check ambient levels of NO. To begin an ambient NO test, press the menu button. Then select the ambient test icon. The NObreath monitor will automatically begin sampling the environment and a reading will appear on screen. Press the back arrow to return to the menu or the home icon to return to the home screen. This concludes all training videos on the NObreath FeNO Monitor. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please visit our help centre using the web address on screen.